Hello everyone, this is Kim from The Beauty Biz. Today I am coming to you from our local Ulta Beauty, and I just had to share with you the super sale that is going on this month, the whole month of September. You walk in your local Ulta Beauty, they will give you a little magazine that tells you all the products and specials, and every day there's something different, and you will be surprised at some of the excellent products, not just my Lancome, which I'm here today to purchase one of my favorite products, and that is the Hydrogel Lancome Advanced Genifique Melting Mask. You can put it on 3 different ways. It says to prep your skin before makeup, also to give you an excellent glow during the day, and to help boost the anti-aging properties before you sleep at night. I will be making a how-to video for the blog later on in the week, so be sure and check that out at kimsbeautybiz.com. As always, we do appreciate you, and much love. Thank you guys.